Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall WordPress from cPanel. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website. Right here is cPanel.net if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. Where in the upper right corner you can get started managing your account. So you can go ahead and register for a new account if you do not already have one. And if you have one, you can just go ahead and log in. So after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by the main page where now you can get started setting up cPanel for your computer. So once you have set up everything and opened up cPanel, it's going to look like this. This is your dashboard where you can manage all the settings you have from your emails to files, databases, and so on. And now we can get started. So to successfully delete WordPress from cPanel, this is what we have to do. Basically, to uninstall it, we're going to go and follow this article right here showing us the steps we need to do. So what you want to do is first back up your site, so make sure nothing goes wrong, and then we can get started. So by backing up your site, now we can get started to the second step where we can go ahead and create new redirects. So if you're uninstalling WordPress from cPanel as a part of migration, you must set up 301 redirects ahead of time. So if you're doing this for migration, you must set this up. If not, you can go ahead and continue to the third step. And when we get to the first step, guys, we'll be able to go ahead and continue by logging into your cPanel account. So what you want to do is log into your cPanel account and then navigate to the public HTML directory. So go to the dashboard and go to the file section and click on file manager. So here are file sections and here is our file manager that you can access. After that, you'll be able to go ahead and access the public HTML directory from which you can follow the rest of the steps right here. So go to this article right here for yourself, find the steps that you want to follow in detail, and then you want to delete everything regarding your website. So by deleting the WordPress database and associated username, you'll be able to delete it from cPanel for yourself, and by that you'll be able to find all the setting options right here in cPanel. And that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.